Now that's party music. Tell me about birthdays in China.
In China, we give red envelopes with money inside.
And we serve very long noodles and representing long life. Don't cut the noodle.
Did you know that Mandarin is spoken by over 1 billion people?
Most of them live in China. Others live in Malaysia, Kyrgyzstan, Vietnam, and Philippines.
But celebrations can be quite serious too. And the other first thing we do on the birthday is go to the temple and pray. Then we like to feed the poor or hand out chocolates to our friends.
There was a Hindi song in Hindi language. Shri Ram Jai Ram is a prayer for peace.